Hi there, so I just chilled our soup for about 30 minutes, a little bit more, and now I'm just ready to serve it and garnish. While it was chilling, I toasted some pepitas, which is the same as pumpkin seeds. You can still kind of hear them popping, they're still hot. And I chopped up some cherry tomatoes, and what's really cool is that these are from our garden. It makes me so happy. We actually grew these, isn't that crazy? We live in LA and we have a small area on the side of our house that we put 4 raised beds, and we're growing a bunch of peppers and tomatoes. This is our 3rd year. So it's super exciting to eat your own food. I highly recommend it, even if you just grow some herbs, if you live like in an apartment or something. So let's get this served. And I can smell the cilantro, which smells amazing. Mix about 2 servings, or you could do, yum. Or you could do like a bunch of little tiny little cups and do like a starter if you're having a bunch of people, or double the recipe. So let's garnish. I'm gonna start with the pepitas. And then I'm gonna layer on some of the tomatoes.